Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Spotify Premium for Sonos Routines, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you don't have the Spotify app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your existing Spotify account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, tap on the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the Premium banner to view subscription options. Choose your preferred subscription plan from the available options. Review the pricing and features included with each plan. Tap the Get Started button to proceed to the payment screen. Enter your payment information and confirm your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will have access to Spotify Premium features. Now, open the Sonos app on your device. Ensure your Sonos speakers are set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In the Sonos app, tap on the Settings tab at the bottom. Select Services and Voice to access your music services. Tap on Add a Service and choose Spotify from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Spotify account with Sonos. Once linked, you can now create routines using Spotify Premium. Go back to the main screen in the Sonos app. Select the Routines option from the main menu. Tap Create Routine to begin setting up a new routine. Choose your desired trigger for the routine, such as time of day or other actions. Select the Spotify music source for your routine. Pick a playlist, album, or artist that you want to include in your routine. Customize any additional settings for your routine, such as volume and speaker selection. Save your routine, and your Spotify Premium music will play at the specified time or event. Enjoy your listening experience with Sonos and Spotify Premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.